Every great water park needs an epic entrance. This is one Lego minifigure and a completely empty jungle. And today I'm turning all of this into a massive Lego jungle water park. With slides, pools, and real water, let the challenge begin. Every great water park needs an epic entrance. I'm building jungle-themed ticket booths for our guests. These minifigures are ready to sell tickets all day. Guests have to pass through these gates to enter the park. A jungle park needs lots of plants and shade. Palm trees instantly give this place a jungle vibe. With the sign in place, the park is officially open.
Let's fence everything in before anyone gets soaked.
Time to build our very first water slide.
This slide is all about speed.
Let's build a full jungle race slide.
Guests need a way to reach the top safely.
We definitely need a pool so no one lands on grass. Time to add real water.
The first jungle slide works perfectly.
Chad needs a place to change into swim gear.
Let's expand deeper into the jungle.
This slide twists through the trees. Safety check passed. Jungle towers like this help guests reach higher slides. This one looks like a lot of fun.
The jungle corkscrew is officially my favorite.
Guests cross this bridge to reach the slide.
Let's build a sand-lined jungle pool.
This area is ready for swimming. Every water park needs a place to relax.
The jungle atmosphere is coming together. This fountain will connect the two sides of the park.
Water everywhere is always a good sign.
Now it's time to build the kids' jungle zone.
This stone entrance leads into the kids area. The kids zone needs shallow, safe water.
This slide is perfect for younger guests.
Kids can splash everyone coming down the slide.
This jungle ship is the heart of the kids area. 3 slides means non-stop fun.
Crossing this bridge makes it even more exciting.
These water spouts spray everywhere.
Everyone loves the giant tipping bucket.
The kids' jungle zone is complete.
Now for the biggest challenge yet. This jungle mountain will hold the longest slide. Guests climb all the way to the top. The top hides an ancient jungle temple. This is the longest slide in the entire park. We need a big pool at the bottom. Real water makes this feel incredible. Chad can finally relax. Let's build a lazy jungle river around the mountain. This bridge keeps everyone safe. The lazy river is complete! Tube slides are a must at any water park.
This one drops riders right into the river.
This tube slide ends in a massive pool. This pool is perfect for floating. This raft slide might be the best ride here. That speed is insane! Even jungle parks need bathrooms.
Time to add food and drinks for guests.
This jungle drink stand looks amazing!
Let's fill the park with guests.
Jungle mascots make everything more fun.
The crew keeps every ride running smoothly.
Safety is always important. This jungle water park turned out better than I imagined. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Jungle Water Park.